Okay, what I want to do right now is show you how to set up your payment through Authorize.net or Stripe, whatever you're using for your credit cards if you want to use them. If you don't, then we'll show you in another video how to set up your cash payments. But right now, what you want to do is you're going to scroll down to My Profile and go to Gateway Setup. And once you get here, you're going to see we have two different settings right now. You have Stripe and Authorize.net, so you can use either one, okay? If you don't have a Stripe account and you want to get one, you can click on here, go get a Stripe account, or you can go to stripe.com, get one. Authorize.net, go to authorize.net and pick you up an account there also. And like I said, if you don't want to use either one of those and you want to get paid by cash or Venmo or PayPal or whatever, you can do that also. And I'll show you how to set that up in the next video. The other thing you need to realize with Stripe is kind of like PayPal. They're kind of affiliate friendly, but not totally affiliate friendly. So whenever you get a Stripe account, they're going to ask you for your website. Do not put in your Secret Wealth Network website because it will get shut down. What you want to do is get maybe I'm going to show you mine that I have that I've set up. Get you a blog or something like that. You can go Google free blogs and just get you a blog, and then go get you a domain name and redirect it to that domain, just like mine is Partner with Butch. I just kind of set up a blog and built a blog, and this is what I put down for Stripe. And they don't, they go and check on it and see if there's anything in there that looks weird or whatever, and then they approve it. So what you don't want to do is, like I said, don't put your Secret Wealth Network website in there, or you're probably going to get it shut down within 10 days. The good thing is they will release your money. They're not going to keep your money, but then you won't be able to use Stripe anymore. If you can get an Authorize.net account, go ahead and do that. Just go apply, and it'll take a day or two to get that. And in the meantime, if you don't want to use either one, you can set up a cash payment or however you want to do that. So what you're going to do is go here. If you're on Stripe, you're going to click on Stripe, and let's go to a Stripe dashboard right now. So right here, I've already logged into my Stripe account. This is just a dummy account, so I can show you how to set up your payments. But what you're going to do is you're going to go down to developers right here, and you're going to click on API keys, okay? And once you're here, you're going to see this view test data, and you can toggle that. Normally it's in viewing test data. What you want to do is get it out of test, and you can see right here with the token, the publishable key, it says test. And then what you want to do is click that over so it's not in test. You want to be in live. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this publishable key right here. You're just going to copy it right here. You're going to highlight it, copy it. You're going to take it back to your account. I'm not going to do it here, but you're going to paste it right here. Actually, you're going to paste it right here in publishable key. All right, so you're going to paste it. It's going to show up right here. Then you're going to go back to your Stripe account again, and you're going to get your live key. I'm not going to click on this, but if you click on that button, it's going to show you a live key, which looks just like this. You're going to copy that live key, and you're going to go back again, and you're going to paste it in secret key right here. Okay. Now, the one thing you want to make sure that you do, or it's not going to do it, you got to go down here and click on Save Changes. If you don't click on Save Changes, it's not going to save it, and you're not going to be able to accept Stripe or anything like that. So you got to make sure that you do that. Okay, go through that process. It's very simple to do. Like I said, you're just going to pick up your publishable key right here, and then your secret key by clicking on that. You're going to copy and paste each one of those. Make sure you paste them in the correct spot. The bottom one is the publishable key, and the top one is the secret key. All right. Now, if you get your Authorize.net account, you're going to click here, and it's going to ask for your API login ID and your API transaction ID. All right. So what we've done here is I've logged in to this account. You're going to go to your settings here. So if you go down to settings in your back office of your Authorize.net, you're going to find your API credentials and keys right there. You're going to click on that, and then it's going to give you, here's my API login ID right here. Okay. So I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go into my right here, API login ID. So I'm going to paste that in there. API transaction ID. I'm going to go back to my Authorize. And what I want to do is right down here is your new transaction key. Okay, this is what you want to get. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on this and you're going to click on submit. Whenever it does that, it's probably going to send you an email because you got to get a PIN number. You're going to click on, check your email, put the PIN number in, and then it's going to pull up your transaction key, and it's going to look just like this, right? So here's my new transaction key. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that right here. I'm going to go back into my back office, and I'm going to put in my transaction key. And then same thing here, you got to click on save changes. If you don't, then it's not going to work. So you can't use both. You got to pick one or the other. So you either got to pick authorize.net or you got to pick Stripe. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and go through how you accept your cash also. Okay. So if you're in here, what you're going to see here is this is the cash payments, and this is how you set up your cash payments. So, whenever you're at your website, let's go to the websites here real quick so I can show you this. So let's click on my website here. And when people go to the next page and they decide they want to join and they're going to pay their $297, right? They click on this right here. Okay. So if you have your credit card set up, it's going to set it up right here and it's going to show your, they can pay by credit card. If you don't have it set up, they're going to go to other options right here. And you can see right here, I have my other options, and I have both. They can either pay me by credit card or other. It doesn't matter to me. But down here, I tell them, hey, if you want to pay me by Venmo, send it to this Venmo. If you want to pay me by PayPal, here's my PayPal. And if you want to pay me by wire or send me cash, then you're going to text me, or they can email me. I may change these however it works, okay? But when you're into your cash area here, if you go to leads and subscribers and go onto the cash and check payments, you want to set that up. So right here is where you set it up. So you can put anything you want in here. If you want cash only, or if you want PayPal only, or Venmo or Zella, or if you want to be bank wired, you can put all that information in there. If you want them to contact you through text or Skype or email, put that in there. And then whenever they go to your website, it's going to show them all the information right here, and they can pay you however they want to. And then once they pay you, we've got a video showing how you go and confirm that they have paid you and you received your money. That way, they have access to everything, because until you confirm that they've paid, you won't be able, or they won't be able to use their back office or set up their system. And if somebody pays you that way, if they pay this way right here by other options, and they put everything in, they click submit, they're going to show up back here in your back office. It'll show up right here that somebody purchased the $297 educational training platform. And then there's going to be a button right here that just says confirm payment. Once you click on confirm payment, it will confirm them in their back office, and they'll have access to everything. And then they can start upgrading to their high ticket products also if they choose to. So that's how you set up your gateway and get things going. Make sure you do that right away so you can start accepting payments the same day and get things rolling and start making money. Thank you.